Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your CBS All Access subscription and start streaming your favorite shows, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the CBS All Access website or download the CBS app on your streaming device, smartphone, or tablet. Step 2. Click on the Sign Up or Start Free Trial button to begin creating your account. Step 3. Enter your email address and create a strong password for your CBS All Access account. Step 4. Select your subscription plan. CBS All Access offers different tiers, including limited commercials and commercial-free options. Step 5. Enter your payment information, including your credit card or PayPal details. If there is a free trial available, you will not be charged until the trial period ends. Step 6. Review your subscription details and confirm your purchase by clicking the Subscribe or Complete button. Step 7. Check your email for a confirmation message from CBS All Access, which will include your account details and login information. Step 8. Log in to CBS All Access using your credentials and start browsing the extensive library of shows, movies, and live TV programming available on the platform. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.